Hello viewers, are you facing settings not opening problem in Samsung phone? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix settings not opening problem in Samsung phone. For fixing this problem, first of all, long tap on settings option, then click on little eye icon. Now go to storage option, click on clear data, click on delete. If you cannot access app info option in settings this way, then come back to home screen and then find my files, click on search bar and search for my files. Now open my files, then click on manage storage, then click on show more option. Now click on apps option, then click on three dot icon from the top of right. Now click on reset app preference and then click on reset option. After reset your app preference, now find settings from the app list, then click on settings option. Now go to storage option, click on clear data, click on delete. After delete your settings storage, now restart your device. After restart your device, now try to open settings. Now see settings is opening and problem solved successfully.